Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by. This is another vlog video of my project, the Mitsubishi Lancer 2008. This is the install of the new radiator. So yeah, this is where the part where you start connecting the condenser to the radiator. So we have to make sure the wiring and the hoses in the bottom are not in the way. So yeah, just little by little we started working it out. This time I had some help, thank God. It made it a little bit easier. In today's video, I'm actually just doing the voiceover because we had too much noise on the video. So if you like it, just leave a comment below. I appreciate it. I prefer talking directly from the video, but in this case, you know, we have to do it this way. Once the radiator was installed with the air condenser, my helping hand found out that if we pull out the bumper a little bit, we could actually put the hose from the bottom of the radiator much easier. So this is what we're doing right now. Once that was done, we could get back to the radiator and start putting the electric fan back on it. Start plugging everything in. Step by step, take it in easy, everything goes on fine. Once we have it down there, we're making sure that I connect them to those hooks that the radiator has to make sure there's no movement from the fan and the radiator. Do apologize for the light because it was actually pretty bright, so it was actually helping us, but to the camera I could tell that it's not helping us at all. But apologize for that light. We needed it though. There go, everything clicked. Now I'll start to put the hoses up from the top side. Now I make sure I do the electric fan connection correctly. Make sure everything goes as it should. You don't want anything loose, so just making sure everything clips right. And there is the hose that goes directly to the radiator. We also connect the small hose that goes to the reserve tank. We start putting that metal frame, that's the part that actually goes where the hook goes. So once we have that, we start putting the bolts on. That actually holds part of the bumper, the front bumper too. Some of the bolts that connects to that metal frame. Now that that's ready, now it's to pour some cooling into the radiator to make sure everything is running smooth. We turn on the car, obviously, after we pour the cooling to the radiator, and make sure there's no leaks. Now that's done, so now I'm just putting the last bolts back to where it goes. Right now I'm working on the the part that holds the hood in its place, the hook. Just putting its bolts back together just to make sure everything's smooth. Also, I'm putting back the side of the bumper, put everything in place. So we are almost done. Now we'll turn on the car in a couple minutes just to make sure it flows, the cooling flows good, and make sure it's circling. And finally, putting the plastic back on the car. As you hear, the car is already running. The cooling is actually flowing really good. It's circulating as it should. And yeah, it's a success. So another project done for the Mitsubishi Lancer 2008, my car. And I hope to do more projects and share with you guys. And I'm excited. I mean, I haven't been this excited in a while since I've sold my my car a couple years back. So yeah, I didn't even feel the that love for a car each time I see one or I use one, and I finally have that feeling again. And hope you guys understand and also can share it. The feeling of having a car, working with it, putting it in a place where it needs to be, like being almost a dream car, but from your hands, working the project. So if you like the video, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more vlogs of the project. And yeah, appreciate you guys. God bless. Have a beautiful day. See you later.